The Sun Joe MJ403E electric mower is a versatile and efficient tool for lawn maintenance, equipped with a powerful 13-amp motor that can cut a 17-inch wide path in a single pass. This mower is not only powerful, but also offers a 7-position height control, allowing you to tailor the cutting height to suit the needs of your lawn. One of the standout features of this mower is its convertible functionality, allowing it to serve as both a mower and a mulcher, which can be particularly useful for maintaining the health of your lawn. The mower comes with a detachable 12-gallon grass collection bag, making it easy to dispose of grass clippings and keep your lawn neat and tidy. Despite its robust functionality, the Sun Joe MJ403E is lightweight, weighing in at under 31 pounds, making it easy to maneuver and operate. Finally, with a review score of 4.1 and over 1,000 reviews, the Sun Joe MJ403E electric mower has been widely appreciated by users for its performance and reliability.